So I believe we set a record yesterday. As far as conferences are concerned, I think altogether it could have been 100 people attending, virtually and physically. I'm not sure how many is down there. I think there was like 50 or so, whatever, that RSVP'd. So I'm not sure who showed up or who didn't. I know there was quite a crowd in the audience, from what I can gather. Um, it's just a tremendous way to do this, and I thank God for it. All of us that attended virtually, we just marveled at what was happening, and the talks were great, just so beautiful. The chat on the side was great. Nobody got out of hand. It was just beautiful all the way around. Um, I'm doing this video because I want to post the 3 links. I know Martin has sent out an email with the 3 sessions that they had, the 3 live streams. But I'm going to post them here as well, so anybody can access them. I look forward to today all day. It's going to be a beautiful, fun-filled, spiritually fueled day, and enjoy. I will be there in the side chat, so it's wonderful to be together with all of you, all the saints. Grace and peace.